Perfect. Okay, so for today, let's go into technology, and I'm going to kind of let you just guide us, because we talked about buzzwords, we talked about taps, we talked about, some systems are mixers with amplifiers built in, microphone ducking. Maybe you can just talk for a few minutes about why the technology itself is not intimidating and how it differs from high-end the home audio integration that we're already doing.
Sure. So first of all, your home audio systems are usually stereo at minimum. And then when you get into your entertainment rooms, multi-channel. So one room might have a 9-channel with a subwoofer. So it's many speaker wires running back to a home location. With commercial audio, we're not doing stereo. We're trying to cover large areas with even music coverage. So first of all, stereo's out the window, because you don't want to have speakers in a large space where the right comes on with no left. So that's going to really sound funny. And from a wiring standpoint, that's a mess. Whereas with 70-volt commercial audio, you run one 2-conductor for all the speakers in a space. And then if you have multiple zones, let's say you have a dining area and then you have a bar area, well, then you would run a second 2-conductor for the bar area. And if you have bathrooms, then you run a third 2-conductor for that area.